Merchise, a global print-on-demand fulfillment company. Born in Vietnam, serving sellers worldwide, we empower sellers to scale their businesses by taking care of everything behind the scenes. With a growing team, modern infrastructure, and multiple production facilities, Merchise is built as a scalable, long-term fulfillment partner. From technology to operations, every system is designed to handle growth globally. During peak season, Merchise switches to full-speed mode, thousands of orders, tight deadlines, continuous production, day and night. Every product is printed, processed, quality checked, and fulfilled with precision and commitment, because in print-on-demand, speed means nothing without reliability. During peak seasons, Merchise fulfills massive order volumes while maintaining consistent quality and on-time delivery for sellers worldwide. Merchise is trusted by sellers around the world, from Vietnam to the US, Europe, and beyond. Different markets, different business models, one trusted fulfillment partner. Behind every successful order is a dedicated team. At Merchise, we believe in growing together, celebrating milestones, supporting one another, and giving back to the community, because people are at the heart of everything we build. Merchise is proud to be recognized among the top print-on-demand companies by Forbes, a milestone that reflects our scale, our reliability, and our commitment to excellence.